Hey guys, so we are doing our lesson today on coordinate grids. So yesterday you watched a lesson from another teacher. It was a 4.5-minute lesson. Today our lesson will be short as well, but I do want to go over our activating strategy and let you know what our learning target is. So this is the second day of coordinate grids. So we're going to create, label, and use a coordinate grid system. So here's your activating strategy. Who do you agree with and why? So here it is. It says, look at the coordinate grid. Where's the heart located? So Joseph says that the heart is located at 5, 7. Yolanda says that the heart is located at 7, 5. So take a moment, pause me, think about where you believe it belongs, and then we'll discuss it. Okay, so if we look at the heart, it is located right here. So the first thing that we do is we always follow X first, then Y. And if you think about that, X comes before Y in the alphabet. So I'm going to go over until I see the heart, which is 7. So the first number would be 7. And then I'm going to go up, and I look over and I see there's a 5. So the correct person would be Yolanda at 7, 5. All right? All right, so here's our learning target. It says, I can create, label, and use a coordinate grid system. Students will learn about the different parts of the coordinate grid system. They will then use a coordinate grid system and practice writing ordered pairs. All right, so now I have the page pulled up from our lesson yesterday. So you were supposed to complete this as a part of your activity yesterday. So let's look at the top. The top, we have some different shapes, and then we have to list their ordered pair. So let's start with the star. So if I'm looking for the star, it's here. This 0 is called the origin. So I always start here at the origin, and then I slide over. So the first number, because I start with my x-axis, is 2. And then I'm going to put a comma next to it. And then I go up 0 places. So 2, 0 is that ordered pair for the star. Okay, let's look at the lightning bolt. So the lightning bolt is here. So I would start at the origin and slide over, and I would go over 6. So I'm going to put my comma there. And then I go up 0, so it's 6, 0. All right, so let's find the circle. The circle is all the way over here. So again, start at my origin, go over, and I notice that it's under 9. And then I would slide up all the way up there. And so it's 9, 9, because when I look over, there's a 9 there. All right, next one is the heart. So I see that I have a heart here. So I'm going to start all the way over at the origin. It's under 10. So that's my first number in my ordered pair. And then I'm going to go up 5. So it's 10, 5. Remember that the X always comes first. All right, so now I'm looking at the cross. This is the cross. So I'm going to start from my origin and slide over, and I notice that it's at an 8. And then I'm going to go up, and it's at 4. So 8, 4 is my ordered pair. All right, the triangle. So the triangle is here. It's at 10 on that x-axis. And up 1. So 10, 1 is that ordered pair. Okay, so the next is the moon. And again, I can see that it's under 9. So 9 is on the x-axis. And then it's up 10 on the y-axis. So 9, 10. All right, for the square, it is also over 9, but it is up 7. So 9, 7. There's the 7 on the y-axis. All right, so for the diamond, I notice that I don't go over any on the x-axis. It's still at the origin, so it's going to be 0. And then I go up 3, so 0, 3 for the diamond. Okay, and then for the music note, I notice that it's over 2 on the x-axis, and then it is up 8. So 2, 8 for that ordered pair, okay? All right, so now we had to do the opposite. We had to list what was at these ordered pairs. So I noticed that I have X is always first, and then Y. So I'm just going to put an X and a Y at the top to help remember that. So if I have 3, that means I slide over 3, and I go up 8, and that would be the letter G. For 7, I'm going to go over 7, and up 0, that's the letter C. For number 13, I have a 4, and then I'm supposed to go up 3, so that's the letter J. I have a 7 on the x-axis, and then up 6, so that is the letter D. For number 15, I have 5 over and 4 up, so that would be the letter K. For number 16, I have 10 over and 2 up, that would be the letter H. For number 17, I have 6 over and 2 up, that would be the letter E. For 18, I have 5 over and 2 up, that gives me the letter B. For 19, I have 10 over and 0 up, so that would be F. And for number 20, I have 1 over, but 9 all the way up, and that would be the letter A. Okay, so your assignment today is to complete the other page that looks very similar to this. It is attached right below this video. If you have any questions about how to do the coordinate grid, please send me a message in Padlet and I can work it out with you, or send me a message through Class Dojo. I hope that this was pretty easy and I hope you got a chance to enjoy this activity. Have a great math day, guys.